Hey guys, it's me, Tommy, and I'm back again with another video. In this video, I'm going to be showcasing this viral wig from Sensational. Definitely want to make a huge disclaimer. This video is not sponsored, but I definitely need to show you guys this wig because it's bomb.com. So let's just jump right into it. So again, I told you that this wig is from Sensational. They're a wet lace collection. I got the color 1B and the model Latisha. And let me just show you how I'm gonna install it. So I'm gonna add some Got To Be gel just to my edges. The Got To Be gel that's in the black bottle. And I'm only doing that because I need to just smooth down my edges. I've had these braids in my hair for weeks now. I work from home, so there's no need for me to do my hair. When I need to go somewhere, I'm throwing a wig on, a headband wig. Anyway, so the wig is gonna come with these long baby hairs, 2 combs in the front and a comb in the back. I'm gonna add my cream foundation to the lace just to make it blend a little bit because the lace looks a little bit light, so I'm just adding my cream foundation to the lace. I'm adding this wig cap only because when I wear wigs like this, the combs tend to snag my natural hair. So I'm just using that just to prevent the combs from snagging my hair. You will see in this video that demarcation line there. We're just gonna ignore it. We're just gonna ignore it because I didn't realize that the line of demarcation was showing that much. So yeah. So anyway, I'm gonna put the wig on my head. Also too, I did apply that foundation to one side because I did intend on having a side part, but after seeing the middle part, I was like, we're just gonna stick with the middle part. So now we're just gonna put the wig on my head. And what's funny about synthetic wigs is that they tend to like not fit me, especially like frontal wigs, but this actually fit me pretty good. My size is like a 23 inches. If you guys make wigs, you know what that is. So that's like a large. Also with this wig, it's super long. I am 5'7.5" and it came up to my waist, but I didn't like the fact that it was very like small at the ends. Like it gets really thick and then at the ends it's like really thin. So we're gonna fix that. We're gonna cut it. We're gonna cut it up to armpit length. I've been seeing all over TikTok when the girlies cut it to armpit length and it's just perfect. So I decided to do that and look at the difference. Like it's just a new wig. It's bomb. It's so beautiful. You can cut it shorter if you want to, but I spent I think like $60 on this wig, so I was not trying to cut it shorter. Now I'm gonna do curtain bangs, and the way you do curtain bangs is you basically make your bang into like a V section and then you crisscross it over. I'm using my jawbone to determine where I wanna cut it, so it's basically even on both sides, and then you cut it at a slant, that way it's layered. So I'm gonna cut one side and then I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side. Now I'm just going in, I'm just adding just some additional layers so I can get that Farrah Fawcett kind of look to it. Just doing the same thing, just pulling the hair against my face and cutting at an angle so it can give me that layer type feel to it. I'm not good with cutting, so I'm not gonna chop this wig up. It is what it is. Wherever I just need to do just a little trim, that's exactly what I'm gonna do, is that just tiny little trim, because if I get away with cutting this hair, it's gonna be crazy now. Next, we're just gonna work on actually putting this wig on my head. I really like the way the edges are like super natural and it's actually blending. Again, you see the wig cap, just ignore that. But do you see, like, it kind of looks like it's growing out of my scalp. If I didn't have that wig cap there, you'd just be like, girl, that's your hair. And I didn't even cut the lace yet, which I'm gonna cut right now. So I'm gonna use my jagged scissors to cut the lace. But like, I'm really bad with applying like lace. That's why I don't do like closures and frontals on my channel, because I suck at it. So right here, you're gonna see me just try to do the method that everyone says to do, is to like do it in 3 pieces. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do. Is I'm just going to start with the front first. I'm gonna apply my Got To Be gel to my hairline and then do the whole like band to put on my head. So that's what I'm doing right here. But I'm really loving the fact that this lace and the hairline, like you don't need plucking with this hairline. Again, I'm not a pro at this, and I'm making it do what it do. So right here is exactly what I was telling you. Now, my mistake was not letting this Got To Be glue get tacky. I literally just put the glue down, not the glue, the gel down. And then I just tied it down, and I'm just praying that once I take this strap off, it wouldn't be white, because that is my issue. Like, that's why I didn't use the Got To Be spray and that lace bond spray. I forgot the name of it in the black can. I didn't use that either because I'm just not good at it. But luckily, it didn't turn white. Off camera, I did cut the rest of the lace off using my zigzag scissors, and now I'm just working with the baby hairs. Baby hairs and me, we don't get along. I don't know how to do baby hairs whatsoever. That's not my thing. Even with my daughter, I don't do baby hairs with her hair. I don't do it with my natural hair, and I surely don't know how to do it with wigs. So what I'm gonna do is just give me kind of a teased hairline. So if you look at a natural hairline, you tend to have like those little tiny flyaways. So that's the look that I'm going for this unit. Now, if you love to do baby hairs, it's your world, sweetie. You bought this wig, it's your $70. You go ahead and do the swoopty swoops. With me, I'm just gonna go ahead and just make it look like my edges are breaking out, I guess. But that's the look that I was going for. You see, I was trying to do the swoopty swoops. It wasn't working for me. Team no baby hairs. That's all me. But I did want to have that hair like lay down a little bit, because I didn't lay the lace down, and you did see the lace sticking up, and I don't want you coming at me in the comments. So that's the reason why I'm trying to attempt to do the baby hairs, but not with the swoops and the gel of the baby hairs. So you guys can continue to see me struggle with that. And then to fix the fact that you can see my wig cap, I'm just going to apply some of that cream foundation to my hairline. And this is the result. A person who is not a pro at adding wigs onto my head, because I literally do sew-ins or I have my natural edges out, and look how natural this looks. You see what I'm saying? Like how you have like the little like tiny hairs that's just coming out. It just looks like it's growing out of my scalp. I love this wig so much. Like, this wig is bomb. Like, it's a little expensive, but it is worth it, I guess, because of the actual lace. But I really love this wig, and I can see why it went viral. Like, it's giving me everything that I need to give. If you were on your way to go see Beyonce, I went to go see her in Miami, but I didn't wear this wig, or Drake, or whoever's in concert, wherever you're going, and you just don't have a hairstyle, this wig, you put it on, you cut it, you trim it, that's it, you good to go. I love this wig so much that I went out and got another color. I tried the blonde, and here it goes right here, but I feel like the blonde like washed me out a little bit, so I'm not a fan of the blonde. I might just give this blonde away, but just I cut the lace a little bit too much. So if you want this blonde one, the blonde one, not the black one, just comment below and I'll just give it to you, because I'm not gonna wear this. I just feel like it just does not fit my face. Maybe my makeup wasn't giving what it's supposed to give, but I just didn't like the blonde on me. But anyway, I will link the wig in the description box below. It will be an affiliate link, so if you purchase it from the link I send, I will get money from it. Again, this video is not sponsored. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. And I promise you that, because I did another video right before I did this one. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.